Welcome to the mysterious world of owls, where silence meets stealth and the night comes alive. Owls are some of the most fascinating and elusive creatures in the animal kingdom. With their haunting eyes, nearly silent flight, and mystical reputation, owls have been symbols of wisdom, omens, and mystery across cultures. But there's much more to these night hunters than meets the eye. Let's dive in. Species and diversity. There are over 200 species of owls spread across nearly every continent on Earth, each adapted to a unique way of life. Owls are split into two main families, the Strigidae, or true owls, and the Titanidae, the family that includes the ghostly barn owl. Among these families you'll find incredible diversity, from the snowy owl, braving the icy tundras, to the elf owl, the smallest species at just a few inches tall, which thrives in deserts. While they differ in size and appearance, all owls share remarkable features that make them supreme hunters of the night. Physical features and adaptations. Let's look at what makes owls so effective at what they do. First, those hypnotic eyes. Unlike most birds, an owl's eyes face forward, giving them incredible depth perception, a crucial advantage when hunting at night. Their large eyes capture even the faintest glimmers of light, allowing them to spot prey from far away, even in near darkness. And because their eyes are fixed in their sockets, owls have evolved a fascinating solution. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees to look around. Now, it's not just their eyes that make them supreme hunters. Owls have impeccable hearing too. With asymmetrical ears, one ear higher than the other, they can pinpoint the exact location of a sound. Imagine hearing a mouse scurry through leaves from 50 yards away and knowing precisely where it is without even seeing it. Silent flight. And here's a superpower almost unique to owls: silent flight. Owls have specially fringed feathers that muffle the sound of air passing over their wings, allowing them to swoop down on their prey undetected. Where most birds make some noise while flying, owls are masters of silence. This adaptation makes them one of the stealthiest hunters in the bird world, perfect for catching their prey by surprise. Habitat and behaviour. Owls are found in diverse habitats around the globe: dense forests, open deserts, high mountains, and even bustling urban areas. Unlike most other birds, owls are solitary, fiercely territorial, and highly adapted to life as nocturnal predators. However, not all owls are strictly night hunters. Some, like the short-eared owl, are crepuscular, meaning they hunt at dawn or dusk, and the snowy owl is even active during the day. Hunting techniques. How do owls hunt? Their technique is simple, yet effective. Most owls use the perch and pounce method. They sit on a branch, scanning the ground below for movement. Once they locate their prey, they dive down in an instant, grabbing it with sharp talons. Owls eat a variety of prey: mice, insects, birds, and even fish for some species. And here's an interesting fact: they swallow their prey whole. Later, they regurgitate the indigestible parts, like bones and fur, in the form of pellets. These pellets give scientists a fascinating look at the owl's diet. Life cycle and reproduction. Owls are attentive parents. During mating season, males will perform intricate calls and even bring gifts of food to woo females. Once paired, the female lays her eggs in a nest, which can be anything from a tree hollow to an old abandoned nest of another bird. After the eggs hatch, both parents work tirelessly to feed the young. Owlets are born with soft, downy feathers and grow rapidly under the watchful eyes of their parents. Once they're old enough, they'll venture out to establish their own territories. Myths and misconceptions. Owls are mysterious creatures, and with that mystery comes some myths. One common myth is that owls can rotate their heads a full 360 degrees. In reality, they can only rotate them 270 degrees, but that's still impressive. Another misconception is that all owls are nocturnal. While many are night hunters, a few species hunt by day. Conservation and importance to ecosystems. Despite their adaptability, owls face many threats. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change all impact owl populations. As natural pest controllers, owls play an essential role in ecosystems by keeping rodent populations in check. Protecting owls means safeguarding these vital natural processes. So next time you hear an owl's hoot or see its silent shadow pass overhead, remember the incredible adaptations and roles these creatures play in our world. Owls are more than just symbols of mystery. They're vital parts of our ecosystems. Let's do our part to protect them.